Hey guys, it's Ms. Salcetta. I'm here to show you how to organize the new slides I've added in your digital notebook. Once you open your digital notebook, you will notice that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 new slides for our new unit. We're moving into our energy unit. So you're going to have to highlight and move these slides to our next unit. So if you just click on them, I want you to notice you can only have one highlighted at a time. If you're on a computer, you can hit this CTRL, the control key. It's usually the bottom left. If you hit control, then you can click on another slide, and now they're both highlighted. And you can slide down and hit control again, and then click on the slide you want to highlight. Hit control, click on the slide you want to highlight. You're going to do this for all 6 slides. Hit control, click on the slide you want to highlight, click control, on the slide you want to highlight. Now you'll notice that all 6 of these new slides are highlighted. So I can just click, and as I drag, it says move 6 slides. So I want to move these 6 slides down. So that's unit 1 physics. We're done with that unit. So here we are at energy. And so you want to put it after the table of content. So it's going to be before slide 19, but after the table of contents. So you should have your unit 2, then your table of content, a warm-up sheet, your blank vocab, and then some notes. Once you're done doing that, you are finished. If you're maybe on an iPad and you can't move it all at once like that, you can't control, so you can highlight everyone. You could just individually move these, drag it down to where it goes one at a time. That would be an option. Just drag them down one at a time. It'll only take a couple minutes. If you can't drag them down either, the other option would be to copy and paste them. Again, you would do the control, so you could highlight multiple slides. I'm going to highlight all 6. I'm just hitting control and then clicking on the one I want so that I can highlight all of them. Once you have them all highlighted, you could just copy, control C. Once you have them copied, you could go down to where you want them to be, which is in between table of contents and slide 19. So you can just right click off to the side and paste. It's going to tell you to control V anyways. And then you'll have your slides right where you want them to be. So you can do any of those options. I just need you to get your new slides after your table of contents in Unit 2, but before slide 19. So play around with that, take your time, and get it organized. Let me know if you have any questions. You can just comment.